Hello, my name is Ramon Ramos, and I'm doing the testing phase for my maintenance app. So let's go ahead. The program, I just fixed a couple things. Now, once we're into the menu and we make a mistake or the input's wrong, it should just loop back into the same option instead of going all the way back to the main menu. So let's go ahead and run this program. As you can see, fresh program, right? So let's go. We're going to test not putting something in. I have to choose. Right, let's test something that's not in the menu. Again, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. Okay, so let's go ahead and load our file. So let's do a file that doesn't exist. We're loading from this file not found. Okay, so let's go ahead and load the correct file, or let's just leave it blank. Again, error path cannot be blank. So let's go ahead, load the file. Okay, so the file has been loaded. So let's go ahead and show our list. So this is our list. This is the same list uh, that we had previously. So let's go ahead and remove a customer. So I'm going to remove this right here. Copy it. We're going to come over here and we're going to put remove customer. Let's put no phone number. Okay, let's do that's it. Yeah. Okay, we're testing a phone number that wasn't found and asked us if we wanted to delete the customer. Cool. It looked into our uh, file right here. It didn't find it, so it wasn't able to remove it. So let's go ahead and give it a appropriate number. And there you go. It's removed. Let's go ahead and pull it up again. And as you can see, it is no longer here. So let's go ahead and add a customer. So let's leave it blank, see if it works. Yeah, if it doesn't work, you have to put in a valid number. Let's put random characters, and it doesn't work because you need to put at least 10 digits only numbers. So let's do 407, 666, 6666. Alright, that adds it. Let's do Brian Ramos. Okay, so the address is required. Let's go ahead and try to keep it blank. It doesn't allow us, so let's put pre-testing plane 33807 Florida. Cool. Yeah. Now I could put in a email, or I cannot put in an email. The email is optional in our system, so I'm just gonna leave it blank. Let's pull it up, the list again, and here is our new customer. Right? No email. So let's put search customer by phone. Let's put random letters. Invalid file format, like phone format. So we need to try again. Let's put a phone number that's not there. And it's not going to find it. It's going to kick us back out to start another uh, option. So let's go 5. Again, let's do a number that we know it's there. And it should pull up the number that we're searching for. Okay, so let's update customer. Again, let's leave it blank. It won't let us leave it blank. Let's put random letters. Won't leave us random letters. Let's put a number that doesn't exist. And it doesn't work. It kicks us back out to the main menu. Okay, so again, let's do the update. What I'm gonna do. So this is how we do the update if we just change the name. So let's put like low address. If we want to change the address, we can, or we could just keep it the same if we just hit enter. And again, the email, let's put a new email. So to show that this program is working, and then the update features is working properly. Okay, so let's go ahead and fill up that list again. And this is going to be our updated customer right here. Sorry about that. And you see, we changed the name, we kept the address, and we can change our email. Okay, so now save the customer file. We could try to leave this blank. It doesn't work. It's going to kick us out back to the main menu. So if we want to save the customer, we got to put a file name. So we could just put backup.csv, and I'll create a CSV called backup in our folder. All right. So now we've run through all our maintenance, shop menu items, and all our features. Uh, that wasn't able to break this program. Everything's working as it should. It's picking up any invalid inputs that we try to put in. And that's all for my testing. Thank you for watching.